Hi everyone, we are going to make a bubble foam today at Chloe's Corner. Okay, Logan's our audience today.
Hi Logan.
He's my little brother.
So Chloe, tell me, what do we need to make bubble foam?
First, 1 cup of water and 1 tablespoon of bubble bath. But if you don't have one, get your baby sister or baby brother's body wash.
All right, so do we just add the bubble bath into the mixer?
Yes.
Okay. So I'll measure this out for you since hopefully we have enough.
We have enough, Daddy.
That's 1 tablespoon.
That's a lot.
2 tablespoons.
We're wasting my bubble bath.
All right, and now we add the water. Excellent.
Mix it.
Oh wait, you forgot the food coloring.
Oh.
Oh, what color are we going to use today?
Hang on. 3 drops of blue. 3. 1, 2, 3. Stop. It's so cool! You gotta touch it, otherwise I'll touch you.
Feels nice.
And it's like I can wash my hands in here.
So what should we do with this bubble foam?
We can play with it. Because this is what you make it for, playing. Or you could just figure out how. And that's how you make a bubble foam. Do the same thing and you can make different colors too. Hey!
Hope you had fun.